even though you may love your boyfriend, you have to take a step back and just think about this. Think it through and through before you do anything. Your boyfriend is asking you to leave your hometown to live with him. All right, let's assume that you really like your boyfriend. Hell, maybe you even love him. Try to project for a second what's going to happen if you do take that step and make a move. You're going to be in a new town where you probably don't know many people or don't have any true close friends. More than likely, there's not going to be any family there. Now, if you're someone who's very attached to your family and to your friends, it's going to be a huge adjustment for you. So in essence, you're going to be moving just so you can be with your boyfriend because of that love for your boyfriend that you have. That love may not be strong enough to keep you when you're there, okay? Because at some point, you're going to start missing your family and friends. So you have to ask yourself, do you have the kind of character, the kind of fortitude to be able to handle that, okay? So this goes beyond love, because love can only take you so far. You're still going to miss them. So you have to ask yourself, are you the type of person who's strong enough who can handle that? And if you can, then you might want to take a leap of faith and try your hand at this. If you can't, you might want to say,